Stop for a moment. It's me, Jesus. Yes, I'm speaking to you right now. I see the heaviness you carry. I know the nights you couldn't sleep, and the tears no one else saw. But listen closely. You are not alone. I have never left you, not for a single second. When you felt invisible, I was there. When you thought no one cared, I cared. My child, my beloved, even now, my hand is reaching for yours. Take it, rest in me. You are safe in my love. And hear this again. You are not alone. Not today, not tomorrow. Never, because you are mine, forever.